to explain to you how one of my members in my private group made 23K, and I also made like 21K that day. This was like a few weeks ago. So one of my members, he made 23K from this trade. I made like 20K from this trade. And what I did is basically I used a certain strategy, which I'm going to explain in this video. And it's not that difficult, not that complicated. It's actually pretty simple, okay? So the coin we were trading was Henry. This was like a viral narrative, but you can compare it to a lot of things. So in this video, I'm going to compare it with this coin, AI, which was launched today, around 10 hours ago. I'm on Solana on GMGN right here. You can find GMGN link in my bio. It's just a trading terminal like Axiom. I personally like it more than Axiom because it's easier for multi-chain, and I just like the design more. So this coin right here was created after a tweet from Elon Musk where he said that yeah, he wants a potential name for the AI industry regulatory authority would be AI. He said this, and if you were sitting like here on GMGN, you would have seen it pop up right here, the coin with the feather, and you click on the feather, you read the tweet. This is quite big, like this is a singular tweet from Elon. This is always quite big, like tweets like this always make motion when he says like a name for something. And so what's the exact strategy? So I'm here on Solana on GMGN, and this coin launched today around 10 hours ago from Elon's tweet at exactly 11:14, okay? And the strategy basically works like this. So let's say you are sitting on the scope and this coin launches at 11:14, but as you can see, it instantly candled to 200K in the first minute. That's like quite insane, right? It candled to 200K. And if you would have bought here at like 200K in the first minute, which is already quite quick, you only would have made like a 2x, which is not a return that can make you 20K. Here we made 500%, or some members made like 1,000% on this trade. That's not the return you're looking for, right? So the strategy is basically, let's say you are sitting here on the scope, you see the coin pop up, you check the narrative. Elon narratives work best for this, okay? Henry actually wasn't an Elon narrative, but this Elon narrative worked very well for this. So you see this coin pop up, you see it instantly candle to 200K. So this makes you realize, okay, this coin got motion. So what you do then is very important. You basically just switch here on GMGN from Sol to ETH. Bam. Then you look up the coin on ETH. And now it gets interesting. The coin on ETH, so here 11:14 is when it launched, and on ETH, if you look at the coin at 11:14, was at 6K market cap, and it stayed there for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later was at 10K market cap. That's insane, bro. Like let's say it would have took you around 10 minutes, okay, 11:13 to 11:23. 70K, that's a 10x. Okay, if you would have bought here 10 minutes after the Solana one was launched and you held until 700K, that's a 10x. Okay, that's how you can make these returns. It's absolutely insane. Do you see what I mean? Like, and you had 10 minutes time, but what if you would have bought like 3 minutes later? That would have been at around 11, 17, 18 at 10K market cap. And then we're talking about a fucking 20, what is that? 220,000%. What is that? I can't even calculate it. I don't even know. Is that like a, that's not 20,000. That's a 200x, bro. Like that's a 200x right here. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. So if you would have put in like $10, 200x, that's $2 grand. If you would have put in $1 grand, that's 200 grand. I'm not saying you can pull out 200 grand from this coin because liquidity is too low, of course. It's only 50k liquidity, but that's absolutely insane. I shouldn't even share the strategy here, but I'm sharing this for free. So yeah, I hope you understand it. If you have a question about the strategy, just comment, or you can also join the group. And first link in the bio. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something. Peace out.